Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold chart. Yesterday gold went up to 1814.30. If you were live on my streaming channel, you must have known the resistance I have given yesterday was $1815. So gold respected our resistance of $1815 and reversed back very hard. It also made low around 1796 from 1814 to 1796. Gold reversed $18 and that was a major blow for buyers because even that intraday position entered in weak zone. If you remember and if you are watching my videos continuously, you must be knowing that we are concluding video regarding gold that gold trend is still in weak zone till it doesn't close above our resistance. Obviously the resistance will change this week and the support will also be changed, but the trend remains same. Gold is still in weak zone despite recovering almost $50 from the lowest point of the week. Lowest point of the week was Federal Reserve conference day. When Fed announced that they will not be increasing any interest rate, gold made low around 1852. And then when Powell chairman announced that they will be doubling the tapering and they will be having a three interest rate hike in 2022, then gold bounced back and made highs around 1799. We had a gold buy after Fed day. We bought gold around 1785. We booked partial profit around 1795 and finally we booked our position at $1804. In gold alone, we made around $1,900 profit last week. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is given in description. Now finally gold managed to close around 1798 and that is a very bad closing considering we will be starting holidays next week and now we are trading below 1800 and that is a good push for sellers. However, we still have 1 week to cover up those things. Now, next week we have a little major data. I'm saying little because that is inflation numbers minus food and energy. So let's switch to the data first, then we will come back to the chart. I will highlight only major data and all timings will be Indian standard timing. So Monday there is not much happening. Tuesday we have current account numbers from US, of course, consumer confidence from Europe. Wednesday we have quarterly GDP numbers from US, consumer confidence, existing home sales and crude oil inventory Wednesday. So Wednesday could be the crucial day because of GDP numbers and consumer confidence. Consumer confidence could be vital for next week, so keep an eye on that. Thursday we have PCE price index, that is basically inflation minus fuel and energy cost, monthly personal income and spending, unemployment claims. These are the numbers which could impact the market. And Friday, of course, Friday and Saturday, of course, Saturday is Christmas, so Friday would be holiday as well. So a small trading week because of Friday's holiday, and of course we are approaching Christmas, so volumes tend to be lower, so please trade very carefully. Now back to the chart. 1798 is the closing. So holidays will be coming and we will be seeing more public going for meetings and all. One major development regarding new virus, that 77 countries have now reported cases of new variant of COVID-19, and according to experts it is spreading at a rate we have not seen and with any previous variant. So clearly it is very infectious, but still it is not deadlier than previous delta version, but still it is very infectious and it could lead to the lockdowns because now the holidays period are starting and that could lead to higher infection numbers. Now coming back to the resistance and support, let me write it down on the chart. 1745 is the support now. This, if market breaks 1745 and close below this level. Yes, these are the closing basis level as we are discussing weekly analysis. If gold close below this support, then expect gold to test up to $1,700 and $1,617. Resistance now at $1,825. If gold break and close above this level, yes, again closing basis level. If gold close above this level, then expect gold prices to fire up to 1,850 and 1,890. Even despite this $50 range, gold is still trading in weak zone. Despite rising inflation, despite inflation is at 40 years high, gold is still in weak zone. We will not go with inflation numbers. We will not go with Federal Reserve Chairman speech. We will not go with tapering. We will go with charts and we will go with levels. If anything significant happen, I will be updating on my daily videos. So subscribe the channel and click bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Now come back to the silver now. And yes, MCX levels have been given in community post. You can check community post for MCX level by clicking the join button. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. It was about to enter in positive zone, but again, dollar index, which was the main culprit yesterday, hampered its chances to enter in positive zone. Finally, it managed to close around at the lowest point of the day. 2236 was the lowest point of the day and it finally closed around that level itself. If you were in my live stream yesterday, I was telling you that it need to close above 23 or 2350 in order to return to positive, and that is the resistance today. I will be updating in a while, but let's talk about what happened with silver last week. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it opened around 2220 and it managed to close just 2236, even though it made high around 2268, but it lost all the gains yesterday and finally managed to close around at the lowest point of the day. Again, silver is facing pressure from higher points, facing rejection from around $23. Resistance is around 2320. I will be updating in a while, but the recovery is shown as it's very good. This is the support 2145 around. It made low near Fed press conference and then bounced back very hard. Almost $1 gains after the Federal Reserve announcement. So let's quickly find out the resistance. I have already told you the support around 2145. 2140 will act as support now. Below 2140. If close to below 2140, then expect $20 and $18 is also possible in silver prices. So stay very cautious if silver break and close below 2140. However, a very strong resistance at 2320. If silver break and close above 2320, then expect a major fire in silver up to $24 and $25. Currently, gold and silver both are trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. If you are watching my videos continuously, then you must be knowing that we are in weak zone since 4-5 weeks now. So again, we are back and we are in weak zone once again. Even though it has tried to go in positive zone, but still we are in weak zone. We didn't break the resistance which it was supposed to break. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Resistance at $78. If crude oil break and sustain and close above this resistance, then expect $80 and $82. Support $64. Closing below this level may invite crude oil to test up to $62 and $60. Currently, crude oil, gold and silver, all three commodities are in weak zone, so trade accordingly. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is given in description. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give a like to this video. I usually update Monday to Friday video as well, so make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. WhatsApp number is also on your screen right now. I will see you in my Monday video now. Till then, take care. Happy weekend.